Today we are going to learn about factor installation. Open terminal and type apt space install space update. Now type apt space install space upgrade. Type pkg space install space coreutils coreutils. Now type factor space any number. It will show the result of factors with that number. Thank you.